Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Then click on Apps section. Following that, tap on App Lock and choose Turn On. Now you need to create your pattern that you will use to lock your apps. Following that, repeat it in order to confirm it, and choose OK at the bottom right corner. Then you can sign in to your Mi account if you wish to, or choose Not Now, wait 5 seconds and tap on Not Now in the pop-up. Over here, if you wish to lock all of those apps, just tap on Use App Lock right away. If you don't, you need to click on all of them and choose Use App Lock then. Then click on the switchers next to apps that you wish to lock, in my case YouTube and Google. So now when I click on Home button and try to access one of those apps, icons that pattern is now required. If you wish to disable app lock from one of your apps, you need to access the same settings, enter your app lock login method, and click on the same No Blue sweater. In order to disable app lock completely, click on this gear icon at the top right corner and choose this sweater next to app lock feature. Then click on OK in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!